Hello everyone. Welcome back to my new video. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today, we will practice English together. This practice is very simple. You do not need difficult words. You do not need to know difficult grammar. You only need to listen. Then read aloud. Then repeat. This is called shadowing practice. Shadowing is a great way to practice English. You listen to a sentence. Then you say the same sentence. Try to speak after the speaker. Try to copy the sound. Try to copy the rhythm. Try to copy the speed. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not stop too much. Just keep speaking. Today, we will practice many easy sentences. You can listen to each sentence. You can read it. You can repeat it. You can say it again. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I look at the clock. It is 7 o'clock. I feel good today. I take a deep breath. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. The morning is quiet. The sky is clear. The sun is bright. I look outside. I see some trees. I see some birds. The birds are singing. It is a beautiful morning. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. Then I get dressed. I put on my clothes. I comb my hair. Now I am ready. I go to the kitchen. I make some tea. I make some coffee. I prepare my breakfast. I eat some bread.
I eat an egg. I drink some tea. Breakfast is simple, but it is good. I feel fresh. I feel happy. I am ready for the day. Now, say it again. Good morning. It is a new day. I feel good today. I am ready for the day. Part 2. Talk about yourself. Now, let's talk about yourself. Listen carefully. Then repeat. My name is Alex. I am a young man. I live in a small town. My town is quiet. It is a nice place. There are many trees. There are small shops. There is a school nearby. There is also a small park. I like my town. I like quiet places. I like simple life. I am a simple person. I do not need many things. I like good people. I like kind people. I like to help others. I like to learn new things. I want to improve my English. English is important to me. I practice every day.
I listen to English. I read English. I speak English. I make mistakes, but I do not give up. I keep practicing. I know I can improve. I know I can speak better. I only need time. I only need practice. I believe in myself. I will keep going. Now repeat. I want to improve my English. I practice every day. I do not give up. I keep practicing. I believe in myself. Part 3. Daily life. Now let's practice some daily life sentences. I wake up early. I make my bed. I clean my room. I open the door. I open the window. I drink some water. I check my phone. I read my messages. I call my friend. I talk to my family. I eat breakfast. I go outside. I walk slowly. I enjoy the morning. I come back home. I do some work. I take a short break. I drink some water. Then I work again. I finish my work. I have lunch. After lunch I rest. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to music. In the afternoon I go outside.
I walk around. I see many people. Some people are working. Some people are walking. Some people are talking. Children are playing. The streets are busy. The shops are open. People are buying things. Life is moving. The day is going well. Now say these sentences again. I wake up early. I make my bed. I drink some water. I do some work. I take a short break. I finish my work. I have lunch. I rest after lunch. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now we will do real shadowing practice. This time, do not translate. Just listen. Listen to the sentence. Then speak. Let's start. I am learning English. I am learning every day. I want to speak English. I want to speak clearly. I want to speak with confidence. I can learn new words. I can learn new sentences. I can improve my speaking. I can improve my reading. I can improve my listening. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. I can speak with confidence. I do not need perfect English. I only need regular practice. I will practice every day. I will listen every day. I will speak every day. I will read every day. I will not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
I can learn from my mistakes. I can become better. I can become stronger. I can speak English. Now repeat everything again. I am learning English. I want to speak English. I want to speak clearly. I can improve my speaking. I can improve my listening. I can speak with confidence. I will practice every day. I will not be afraid of mistakes. I can learn from my mistakes. I can speak English. Part 5. Slow speaking practice. Now we will speak slowly. Do not speak too fast. Take your time. Listen. Then repeat. I am happy today. I feel good today. I have a good plan. I want to learn. I want to improve. I want to speak. I want to practice. I will start now. I will keep going. I will not stop. I will try again. I will learn slowly. I will learn every day. I will become better. I know it takes time. I know it takes practice. That is okay. I can do it. You can do it too. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Relax your mouth. Relax your face. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not worry. Just speak.
Part 6. Everyday questions. Now let's practice questions. Listen and answer aloud. What is your name? Where do you live? How old are you? What do you do? What do you like? What do you eat? What do you drink? What time do you wake up? What time do you go to bed? Do you like English? Do you speak English? Do you practice every day? Do you like reading? Do you like listening? Do you like music? Do you like movies? Do you like traveling? Do you like learning new things? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite color? Who is your best friend? What do you do in the morning? What do you do at night? Now answer these questions. My name is Alex. I live in a small town. I am 25 years old. I am a student. I like English. I like reading. I like listening to music. I practice English every day. I wake up at 7. I go to bed at 11. I like simple food. I like spending time with my family. I enjoy learning new things. Part 7. Reading out loud.
Now we will practice reading. Read every sentence aloud. Do not read silently. Use your voice. Speak clearly. Here we go. Today is a beautiful day. I wake up early. I open my window. The air is fresh. The sky is blue. The sun is shining.
I feel happy. I drink a glass of water. Then I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat my breakfast. Then I start my work. I have many things to do, but I stay calm. I do one thing at a time. I do not rush. I take small breaks. I drink enough water. I try to stay active. I try to stay positive. At the end of the day, I feel tired, but I feel happy. I did my work. I learned something new. I practiced English. That makes me happy. Part 8. Speak with me. Now speak with me. Do not just listen. Speak. I am ready. I am ready to learn. I am ready to practice. I am ready to speak. English is not impossible. English is a language. I can learn a language. I can learn new words. I can learn new sentences. I can practice every day. I can listen every day. I can read every day. I can speak every day. I can make mistakes. That is okay. I can try again. I can learn again. I can speak again. I will not give up. I will keep practicing. One day I will speak better. One day I will feel confident. One day English will feel easy. I will keep going. Part 9. Confidence practice. Repeat after me. I am not afraid. I can speak English. I can learn English. I can improve my English. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. I can speak with confidence. My English is improving. My speaking is improving. My listening is improving. My reading is improving. Every day I learn something new. Every day I become better. Every day I become more confident. I do not compare myself with others. I follow my own path. I learn at my own speed. I give myself time. I give myself a chance. I believe in myself. I trust my practice. I will keep going. I will never stop learning. Part 10. Mini story for shadowing. Now let's practice with a short and easy story. Listen first, then repeat each sentence. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Sam. Sam lived in a small town. He had a simple life. He worked in a small shop. Every morning he woke up early. He walked to the shop. The shop was near his home. Sam liked his job. He liked meeting people. He liked talking to them. But Sam had one problem. He could not speak English well. He wanted to learn English. So he started practicing. Every morning he read English. Every afternoon he listened to English. Every evening he spoke English. At first it was difficult. Sam made many mistakes. Sometimes he forgot words. Sometimes he felt shy. But he did not stop. He practiced every day. He spoke one sentence, then another sentence, then another one. After a few weeks, he felt better. He could understand more words. He could speak more sentences. He felt more confident. One day, a customer came to the shop. The customer spoke English. Sam was nervous, but he took a deep breath. He smiled. Then he started speaking.
He made a few mistakes, but he kept speaking. The customer understood him. Sam felt very happy. That day, Sam learned something important. You do not need perfect English. You need practice. You need patience. You need confidence. Most importantly, you need to keep going. Part 11. Repeat the important sentences. Let's repeat the most important sentences. I need practice. I need patience. I need confidence. I can learn English. I can speak English. I can improve every day. I will practice every day. I will listen every day. I will read every day. I will speak every day. I will learn from my mistakes. I will not give up. I will keep going. I believe in myself. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. Part 12, Final Shadowing Challenge. Now comes the final challenge. Try to speak without stopping. Listen carefully. Then speak. I wake up early every morning. I start my day with a smile. I drink some water. I eat a simple breakfast. Then I start my work. I try to stay calm. I try to stay positive. I do my best. I learn new things. I make mistakes sometimes, but I do not feel bad. I learn from my mistakes. I keep practicing. I keep learning. I keep speaking. I want to improve my English. I want to speak with confidence. I know English takes time. I know practice is important. So I practice every day. I listen. I read. I repeat. I speak. I do not translate every sentence. I try to understand English.
I try to think in English. I use simple English. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I stay relaxed. I believe I can improve. I believe I can speak English. I will keep practicing. I will not give up. I will become better. Ending. Great job! You finished today's English shadowing practice. You listened. You read. You repeated. You spoke. That is real practice. Remember these 4 words. Listen, understand, repeat, speak. Do this every day. Even 10 minutes can help. You do not need to practice for hours. Start with a few minutes. Practice every day. Be patient with yourself. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Keep listening. Keep reading. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Your English can improve. Your confidence can grow. Your speaking can become better. Just keep practicing. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep watching Smooth English Talks for more easy English practice. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning. Keep speaking. And never give up. Listen, understand, repeat, speak.